Hello everyone, welcome to Shekhar History Classes. In this portal, there is a functionality called Smart Search. I would like to show you how this Smart Search will help you in your prelims preparation as well as mains preparation. Let us consider prelims, previous year questions. Go here, History Prelims, PYQs. While you are preparing for the examination, you want to know how questions were asked related to Buddhism philosophy. In general, in normal search, suppose when you give Buddhism philosophy, question should have exactly both words, Buddhism and philosophy, or at least Buddhism and philosophy. At least one of them should be there. If both are not there, then you will not get any question. Let us see this. Buddhism, philosophy. Zero questions. No questions found. But suppose if you take the concept of nirvana in Buddhism, it is part of Buddhism philosophy only. It is related to that particular topic. Now, smart search helps you in that context. Exact keywords need not to match to bring those questions from the database. When you click smart search, now you see Buddhism philosophy. Which one of the following describes best the concept of nirvana in Buddhism? Nirvana is a part of Buddhism philosophy. That's why this question is matching to that particular context it is giving. And also this artificial intelligence try to match how much percentage of the context is matching with the query. That means Buddhism philosophy and this one. You can see 62% match. In this way, it will help. Like 60% match. Main preachings of Buddha were in regard to. So Buddhism related philosophy comes in multiple ways. That is why Buddhism related and philosophy related combination it is picking up. Suppose when you are thinking about Buddhism, when you want to recollect, you have studied ancient India, Mahajanapadas, there you have studied about Buddhism. Now, the moment you start revising Buddhism, immediately you will come to know about Jainism also. Why? Because that chapter covers both Buddhism as well as Jainism, and both are contemporaries and they are heterodox ideas that emerged during that time period. Similar way, the way our brain neural network functions, artificial intelligence neural network also functions in the same way. And in fact, the technology, the tool behind artificial intelligence, the training model behind artificial intelligence is also called neural network only, inspired by brain neural network. And it will try to match. So that's why some of the questions you will find even Jainism also. See this, you can find somewhere Jainism also. Jainism differed from Buddhism in which of the following aspect? It's exactly like our human brain. Because we are remembering Jainism because it is connected to Buddhism during 6th century BCE. In that way, whatever philosophies that are related to that particular philosophy, they are going to come out. So this is how it will happen. But match, the percentage of match may come down. If it is a Buddhism philosophy, more percentage of match. If it is Jainism, less percentage. But anyway, they are connected. So that is how questions are going to come. This is how smart search will help you. Suppose if I give neural network example, it need not to be related to history. Just to highlight the importance of smart search, I am typing this one. Type neural network. Just I have mentioned the way our brain neural network functions, artificial intelligence also based on this similar kind of tool technology. Now neural network, if question is having exactly those words, it should pick up. If those words are not there in the previous year questions, then how this search will help? This neural network is related to artificial intelligence. Those questions are going to come. Let us see. The percentage match may be low because those questions may not exactly contain these words, but the topics which are associated with this, they are going to come. Now you see this 37% match, neural network. You see exactly the question. With the present state of development, artificial intelligence can effectively do. You see exactly artificial intelligence related 2020 question. Another one, 2025, this year only, it is expected that Majorana 1 chip will enable quantum computing. So this is how smart search is something, it is like the way we think. Even though exact word will not match to the question, but still it understand the context. It understand the context that you are asking about Buddhism related questions, then it will bring. Then when you type Jainism, Jainism philosophy will come. When you type Adi Shankaracharya, associated all the phenomena related to Adi Shankaracharya, they are going to come out. This is what difference from earlier search and using artificial intelligence smart search. This portal will help you in this direction. You can use this both in prelims PYQs also, mains PYQs also, even in general searching overall content also. Suppose when you go to this, you see this, even if you type role of Subhash Chandra Bose, questions related to Subhash Chandra Bose, they are going to come out. If you type role of Gandhiji, questions need not to have the exact word role of Gandhiji, but it will understand it is related to Gandhiji, it is related to Subhash Chandra Bose. It will pick up the questions associated with Subhash Chandra Bose. For example, if you see, if I type role of Subhash Chandra Bose, smart search, history optional, prelims PYQs, optional PYQs, and so on. And when you click, and it is related to, this question is directly related to Subhash Chandra Bose only. Nationalism, fascism, and communism. Identify this. Critically examine the ideology of Subhash Chandra Bose as a combination of nationalism, fascism, and communism. History optional question. This how smart search is going to understand the context and it is going to give you the result. In this way, it will help you to analyze more deeply in your preparation. In that way, your analytical capabilities also will increase. You can prepare fastly also, and at the same time, your analytical skills also will improve with this one. Try to utilize this feature. All right. Thank you.